Okay guys, this is a really simple little job you should be able to do yourself and save a bunch of money over bringing it to a dealer. I like these TYC brand filters. They seem to be really good, and they also come with a handy set of instructions. So there we go, I already popped it open and checked out the instructions. So we have to open the glove box, of course remove the contents of the glove box. Okay, so you just have to press in on this area. I guess you press these in too. Maybe if you do one side at a time. Yeah, I get one side loose and those things kinda... Okay, so that's how you do it. You can just take those out. They just clip out. The first one I did wrong. First time I've done this, but they go in like that. So they come out like that. So that's how you get that to fold down. You just take both of those out. Okay, now with it folded down, you can see that panel back there. What you want to do is just squeeze these tabs together and that panel will pull right out. See, you squeeze those tabs together. There's even arrows there. See? Okay, so you can set that right there. And then the old filter, I have a feeling it's pretty gross, but you just pull that out. And the arrows should be pointed down. That's the direction of airflow, and actually this one's not too bad. I'm surprised. Now I just like to take a shop towel and wipe everything off. It's not much to wipe off, but okay, we get our new filter out. Okay, you see these direction of airflow, that should be pointing down. It's pulling air down from below the base of the windshield down into the heater box. So that is the correct way. Just like that, couldn't be much simpler. And then this just clips back into place. Just push in firmly, make sure they're all clipped. And then these you put in after. Just like that. So you see this brand of filter comes with instructions, but it says to push in on the sides of the glove box, and that's not actually how you do it. You want to actually get these clips out. So you lift the door slightly and then you can push it out from the back side, and there's kind of a rubber on it, so you got to work it out, but just like that it comes out. And then to put it back in, same thing, you lift the door a little. You stick the rubber part into the big square hole, and then you just like that, and like that. Well, there we go. That is how you change your cabin air filter in your Hyundai Santa Fe. I do hope you found the video helpful and informative. Thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.